Our amigurumi is ready. Now I'll continue with the accessories for it. So I need to do here a little bit more crocheting of this part, and then we'll continue assembling this accessory, which requires some additional craft work. We'll see later. I'll show you. I'm ready with these two pieces of crocheted items. Now I need to prepare for the next part of this accessory. I need a wire. I'm measuring 35, and then I need to ask my husband to cut for me. Actually, this is a cable which I'll cut, and there are 5 wires inside, and just will take them out and use them separate. Now we need to open the cable and to take out the wire. So next part of our craft is bending the wire in the desired shape that we need for the accessory. And most important thing working with the wire is the safety. The wire can be dangerous for small kids, so we make sure that the ends of the wire are really safe and no one will be hurt.